You can provide a guest with a refund for some or all of a reservation's balance. This video will show you how to process a refund in Guesty. Let's get started by opening the relevant reservation. You can either search for the guest's name up here and select the reservation, or click Reservations in the top menu. Click a reservation to open it up. The financial aspects of the reservation can be viewed by clicking here. Go ahead and scroll down to the payment section. Here you'll see a list of payments that have either already been processed via Guesty or recorded manually if payment was taken externally. Hover over the payment you'd like to refund to reveal this icon. Click the icon and select Issue Refund from the drop-down. In the pop-up, change the refund amount, if relevant, and add a reason for the refund, which will help you understand at a later date why it was processed. Click Issue Refund when ready, and the refund will appear in the payment section on a new line. You can see that the balance due has been updated here. If the payment being refunded was originally processed in Guesty via Stripe, which is a payment processor, the refund will be sent back to the guest credit card. If the payment was originally recorded manually in Guesty, as the payment was handled externally, the reservation's balance will simply be updated. It's important to note that refunds that are processed through Stripe's own dashboard, as opposed to via Guesty, will not appear in Guesty. We recommend always processing refunds directly in Guesty where relevant. Note that some booking channels, such as Airbnb, process all payments on their end. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know by clicking on the question mark on the bottom right corner of your screen. Thanks for watching!